Open a new project with Qt widget application. Go to Forms, add push button and text edit box into GUI. File open and save features will be handled by push button. Select push button, go to slot and then choose click to open function in main window.cpp. Now run the simulation to ensure the GUI is working perfectly. Add QFile dialog header in main window.cpp. Add QTextEdit header file in main window.h. Now I can write a code for file open inside push button 1 function. Use QFile dialog function to open text file. The if loop execute if the file name is not empty. The QTextStream read a content of file and it will be assigned to QString file content. UI text edit set plain text will display the file content in the text edit box. Now run the simulation. Click on file open. It will open text file dialog box. Select a text file. It will be displayed in text box. Copy the content of push button 1. Instead of file open, make it as file save. QTextStream out. QString will copy the content from text edit to text, and the text will be saved in file using out command. Now click on save button. You can save content of text box in text file.